O.O. So I choose the Wild Rose. It's a fresh Wonderland Garden perfume. And siya guys. So yes, it is perfume. And meron na din pala siyang freebies. So amino acid facial cleaner siya guys. Ayan. Facial cleaner. And another one is moisturizing. So exploiting gel. Moisturizing. I don't know how to use it, but I will try. Of course, I'm gonna try it. And it's so nice because there's a small container perfume also. So I'm gonna bring this at work. So if I want to feel like a fresh, I gonna use it. Alright, so let's open this one and try how is the yung amoy niya. Is it worth to buy or no? Yeah, let's see. Dami niya akong good feedback, so why not to try it? Since lagi dumadaan sa newsfeed ko, sa TikTok ko, so nabili ko siya. Yung tipong kahit wala ka ng pambili, tapos napapa-add to cart ka na lang. Ayan. Eh? Ayan. Hirap naman. Ang hirap niya tanggalin. Medyo sikip siya this. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Ang cute ng ano niya, bottle niya. Try it. Not too bad. Very fresh yung amoy niya guys. Yan siya. So ito na pala yung na-order ko sa TikTok shop. Ayan. So Wild Rose yung ano niya, flavor ng amoy. And yung box. And may dalawa siyang freebies. Moisturizing and facial cleanser. And the cutie little spray. Ayan. So since this is the very hot or the latest or the popular one, so I choose this one. Hey guys! Buy na kayo guys. It's so nice and refreshing. By the way guys, naka-promo pa siya. Naka-Ramadan promo siya. Kaya medyo hindi naman masyadong kamahalan siya. Kaya grab it now guys.